Hi, Russell Nollen here. Welcome. In this video, I'm here to help you with basic guitar care and maintenance. Whether you own an acoustic guitar or an electric guitar, you've come to the right place. My first issue of advice is to simply treat your instrument with tender, loving care. Avoid doing anything to it that will cause damage. The first thing your guitar will need is a protective case or a padded bag. While a padded bag will provide some protection from dents, scratches, and the weather, the guitar is best stored and transported in a hard shell case. It is best to approach your guitar with clean hands. Whether you own an electric or an acoustic guitar, you can clean your guitar surfaces and strings after playing with a microfiber cloth. I personally don't recommend using any polishes or cleaning agents on your guitar. A microfiber cloth is all you really need. The biggest issue concerning your guitar's care is climate. Your guitar likes the same climate as you do. Ideal temperature is at 72 degrees with a 47% humidity. Having said that, you may need to purchase a humidifier for your case. If you have an acoustic guitar, you may need to purchase a sound hole humidifier, something like that. Your guitar does not like extreme weather. Taking it in and out of cold, extreme heat, extreme cool won't generally do a lot of damage right away, but persistent neglect is practically guaranteed to hurt. If you choose to keep your guitar in a stand, like so, make sure that it's away from traffic that can knock it down, do any damage to it, scratches and dents. Also keep it away from any heating vents, cooling vents. If your room is too dry and you like to keep your guitar in a stand, make sure that you've got a room humidifier for it also. If you're traveling with your guitar, I strongly recommend putting it in a hard shell case for the best protection. And I never leave it in the trunk. Always bring it in the cab with you for the best protection. For the electric guitarist, a few extra notes. When plugging into an amp, put one end of the patch cable into your guitar, all the way in. Put the other end of the patch cable into your guitar's input. Then, turn the amplifier on. The knobs in your amp should be fairly self-explanatory. If you're not sure, start all the way down, then turn it up gradually. You should be able to hear a difference. If you're still not sure, contact the shop that you purchased it from or contact the manufacturer directly. Many have helpful websites with user tips and forums. When unplugging, turn your amplifier off first, then unplug your guitar. This covers the basics of basic guitar care and maintenance. At some point, you'll need to change your guitar strings. Later, I'll show you how. Also, consider bringing your guitar to a guitar repair person for a maintenance and setup inspection, just to make sure that your instrument is in optimal condition and playing optimally. You may choose to change string gauge, going to a lighter or heavier gauge set, and for that, you may need to adjust the neck. A qualified guitar repair professional or luthier can help you with that. Beyond that, if you should have any damage to your guitar or need more extensive maintenance or repairs, you should bring it to the shop that you bought it from or take it to a luthier. I hope these tips have been helpful. Please feel free to contact me with any questions or comments. Russell at russellnollen.com. Thank you for joining me here. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.